Joe says, are cybersecurity labs enough experience to get a job? I would say yes and no. The reason why I say that is because it depends on the job, number one. So if you're looking for a high level job, no, a lab is not enough. If you're looking for an entry level job and the lab gets you in a place where you can either volunteer to get other experience or you can get a certification, that might get you to a place where you can get your foot in the door at an entry level position doing something like help desk, junior level, entry level help desk, or doing customer service where you're taking calls and helping people troubleshoot different issues like that. If it's something like that, then maybe. But typically, I can tell you, as a person who's actually done interviews on people, I can't say it's not that we wouldn't hire somebody just off of their knowledge, because if they had really good knowledge, then maybe. But normally experience is what you're looking for. Like the baseline is normally experience. And then the big question becomes, how do I get that experience? You're on the right track. If you have a lab in your house and you're training, or if you got the Security Plus or A Plus certification, you're going on the right track. That's what you want to do. You want to crack those books. You want to get your hands dirty. You want to set up labs in your house. You want to tear computers apart, put them back together. You want to learn as much as you can. And then while you're trying to get your foot in the door in IT. Now, that doesn't mean cold calling IBM necessarily, right? Nowadays you put your resume out there, you put what your experience is, but also if you happen to already have a job, you can get lateral training, or you can get a lateral move. If you're already at a job, wherever it is, they have an IT department. Go over to the IT department and get friendly with them and start asking them questions like, man, I'm really trying to get into IT. You'd be surprised how many geeks and nerds are there who want to talk your ear off about how to do IT, because we don't normally get those kinds of questions. We don't normally, I know me, I'm always anxious to train people who are, especially if I work, they're my coworker. I'm excited to tell them. I'm excited to tell them what I did and what path to go to. If you're already working, you want to ask somebody in the environment you're at and say, listen, I really want to learn this. Where did you start? How can I get in this position? How can I work alongside you? That's what I want to do. And you'll be surprised. They might go take you to their supervisor and be like, hey, Joe really wants to get in this position. Like, is there something we can do to give him some time to help out? Can we train him? Can we, you never know. Like, your company might be willing to even laterally train you, but you might even have to do some off the book stuff and be like, I'm off work right now. Is there a way I can just come in here for free and just watch you work? Can you just teach me stuff on the side, right? And then once you get buddy with them, actually earn some trust, be like, hey, can I help you guys fix this computer? That kind of experience you can then put on your resume. So that's what I would do.